Welcome to Digital Ink Hustle. In this video, I will show you how to create and sell custom AI tattoos online using Midjourney and how to rank top in the USA with your digital tattoo business. Start by opening Midjourney and typing creative prompts like USA Tribal Eagle Tattoo, black ink, minimalistic line art. The AI instantly generates unique tattoo concepts. Save your favorites and refine them until they look professional enough to sell. Next, package your designs. Offer bundles such as 10 minimalist tattoos or custom name tattoos, USA edition. Sell them as digital downloads on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify to boost sales. Create mock-ups showing tattoos on skin models or posters. This helps buyers visualize the art. Now it's time to market. Post short videos on Instagram Reels and TikTok showing your AI tattoo creation process. Use USA-optimized hashtags and link directly to your shop. This builds credibility and drives traffic fast. Digital tattoos are the perfect blend of art and entrepreneurship. With Midjourney, you don't just design ink, you design income. Start your digital ink hustle today and watch your creativity pay off in the USA market.